SemanticMerge 2.0 is a major change in the product. We have completely redesigned the user interface to make it easier to understand and much more productive. And that's what I'm going to show now. I'm going to browse some of the examples included in the tool and to really highlight what's new and what's different in Semantic. So the first time you start up the tool as an isolated process, I mean not running inside Git or Plastic SCM or something, you just see this initial screen, and from here you can just go and explore the samples. We have a browser for all the examples that we include with the tool, and we have support for the different languages: C#, Java, C, Visual Basic, .NET, and so on. So there's a description for each of them, and you can run them. And the nice thing is you can compare what a traditional three-way merge tool, text-based tool, will do, and then what Semantic can do. I will start with this one. It's a socket example, and this is one of my favorites. I will just run Semantic, and basically I get that all conflicts are basically automatic here. No conflicts to check. But let me show you from the visual merge, which is one of the key features, how the merge looks like. Basically, this is how the file was at the beginning, the base, the common ancestor. These are the source changes or theirs, and these are my changes or yours, right? So what happened? Well, we had a socket class with a few methods on it, and then on one side the developer created a client socket class, this added, that's why you have this icon there, and then a couple of methods were moved there. Also notice that the methods were changed. I mean, they were swapped, so the location of the methods were changed. And then he also made a small change in getHostByName. From this diagram you can see the change, the actual change. Actually it's a simple one. It's just a comment that was there's a change on the comment, right? Okay, so on the other side you get a new server socket class created, the socket class renamed to DNS, and again a couple of methods moved to the new class. So it's like a splitting the class into two different ones. And well, let's see what the merge did. Actually, as you saw, the changes were automatic, and you just see how at the end of the day what you get is the new server socket with a couple of methods that are marked as moved. This is new in 2.0. I mean, the icons on decorating the decorators of the methods. You get the new DNS class with the code that has been changed. I mean, the method that has been changed. In fact, it's even highlighting the diff. And then you get the new client socket class where you see the two methods that were also moved. The conflict is automatic because there are nothing was changed by two contributors at the same time. Let's now close it. I won't save the changes, and let's just run the text tool. As you can see here, you have three conflicts, and the big problem, and that's why Semantic makes a big difference, is that the tool is trying to match the getHostByName method, the same one it had on the base, but on the other hand is trying to match it with server socket recv, which of course has nothing to do. That's basically the key difference in Semantic. Semantic is able of understanding the code, understanding the underlying difference. I mean, it parses the code first. In this case, we are using C#, so it's using Roslyn to parse the code, and then it calculates the differences and the merges based on that. So it knows that getHostByName was moved. The actual text tool cannot do that. It doesn't know actually what to do. You have a lot of conflicts, and this is just a nightmare to solve, even though it's just, a completely automatic scenario for Semantic.